Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, I will be showing you how to log into Mr. Cooper mortgage account. So watch the video till the end to learn how. So the first thing to do is to open a preferred web browser. Soon after you do that, in the URL box at the top of the screen, type in mrcooper.com and search. You will then end up in the official website for Mr. Cooper. Mr. Cooper was formerly known as NationStar Mortgage. It is known to be a large mortgage servicer in the United States. To log in and manage your Cooper mortgage, you'll first need to go ahead and click on the Sign In button appearing at the top right corner of the main home screen. In the Sign In area for Mr. Cooper account, enter your username in the Username tab. In case you've forgotten your username, click on Forgot Your Username link and get help by following the on-screen instructions. On the next field, you'll need to type in your account's password correct. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts. After filling in your details, click on Sign In and you will then be able to log in to Mr. Cooper mortgage account online. Once you're logged in, you can now manage your Cooper mortgage account, make a payment, view your transactions, and much more. So that was how you can easily log into Mr. Cooper mortgage account online in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.